Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check Windows build and install pending updates because Defender integrates with system components. Next, sign in as an administrator so you can restart services and edit the registry if needed. Once done, disable or uninstall any third-party antivirus. Conflicts often cause a blank Defender UI. Make sure to note restore steps for that AV. Finally, reboot now to ensure pending updates or services aren't blocking the app before moving into deeper fixes. Now you repair core services and files. Open Services and restart Security Center and Windows Defender Antivirus Service. This often restores the UI. If that fails, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, then sfc/scano to repair system files. These commands fix corrupted components that render the console blank. After that, re-register the Windows Security app using PowerShell App X reinstallation commands and check the registry Defender keys. Adjust missing values carefully. Once completed, reboot and reopen the Defender console to verify progress. Finish by validating user scope and system policies. Create a new administrator account and open Windows Security there. If it works, your original profile is corrupted. Next, inspect group policy and tamper protection. Policies or tamper settings can hide the UI, toggle them appropriately. If nothing helps, run the Windows Security Troubleshooter or use System Reset while keeping files as a last resort. If you get stuck, the one key tip is to temporarily disable tamper protection before service or registry edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.